Good day, everyone. I am here standing in front of you to deliver outgoing message today. Mark a bittersweet moment for the Christina Elementary School community. As your bid farewell, we gather to express gratitude, appreciation, and admiration for your remarkable leadership. Your dedication, vision, and passion have transformed our school into a vibrant hub of learning and growth. Your unwavering commitment to excellence has inspired students, teachers, and staff alike. Your pioneering spirit introduced cutting-edge initiatives enriching academic experiences. We have fostered a culture of inclusivity, empathy, and respect. Your guidance and mentorship help educators grow professionally. Ma'am Nanay, your legacy extends for beyond this world. You've shaped minds, touched hearts, and dignified dreams. Your absence will be the felt, but your impact will endure. Thank you for your tireless service, unwavering dedication, and inspirational leadership. We wish you happiness, success, fulfillment in your future endeavors. Farewell, Ma'am Nanay, sincerely, in behalf of Parents and Teachers Association. I am Judy Gacasino. Ang madugang ko lang, Ma'am Christina Elementary School, proud to Turkic Santa, kaya niya ikaw, Kid Nagritero. Salamat, Ma'am.